Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I just wanted to take a quick trip back to the Tarcoles bridge and take a look at some of the massive crocodiles. And I also wanted to try out my new GoPro 360 camera and try to figure out how to edit with it. So my buddy came up from Canada, Cyril. He's the one in my very first video that we jumped in his RV and headed from London, Ontario, drove all the way down to Fort Lauderdale. So big shout out to Cyril for helping me get down to Fort Lauderdale, where I then flew to Costa Rica, and that's where I am now. So Cyril has come to visit me in Costa Rica, and I decided to take him to the Tarcoles bridge to take a look at these massive crocodiles. You can see in the video there's one of them here that is absolutely huge. It had to be like 18 feet long. It just dwarfed the other ones. So if you're coming to Costa Rica, make sure you check out the Tarcoles bridge if you're on the west coast. They have been working on the bridge itself, and they've also updated the area where you park, and there's a whole visitor center now. It's pretty nice. But check out the video, check out the new 360 camera. I'm trying to learn editing. Let me know what you think. I know it's not riding in Costa Rica, but it's certainly a video of what Costa Rica has to offer. And what else do I have in the works for the future? Well, I've rented another Airbnb up in La Fortuna. I'm going to take Cyril up to take a look at the Arenal volcano and the lake, ride around the lake. I've already done a video on that, but it's such a good place to visit. It's amazing that I thought I'd take him up there. He's going to rent another motorcycle from AXR Rentals. I'll do a video on that again, give some details. But if you have any questions, fire a comment or reach out to me and I'll try to answer them. So again, this was just a really quick video to try out the new 360 camera. Take a look at the massive Crocs. There he is there. Absolutely huge. And let me know what you think. So do me a favor, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. And as always, enjoy the ride.